Meaning of Fort Collins.
Fort Collins.
Fort Collins.
Fort Collins.
Fort Collins. Fort Collins is a city located in northern Colorado, United States. It was named after Lieutenant Colonel William O. Collins, who established a military outpost in the area in the 1860s. The city has a population of approximately 170,000 and is known for its natural beauty, outdoor recreation opportunities, and vibrant culture. Fort Collins is home to Colorado State University and has a strong local economy based on industries such as brewing, technology, and healthcare. Overall, it is a thriving community with a rich history and exciting future.